I'm going to show you how to make peanut cookies. So let's get started. First, in a large big bowl, 100 milligrams of vegetable oil or melted butter, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then add 90 grams of icing sugar. Mix until all combine. Then add 100 grams of peanut butter. Oh, that looks so yummy. Try more peanut butter. It's a little smooth. Help me?
Yeah.
Okay, you can mix it by yourself. But do not make a big mess, okay?
I did just like that. See? It's
Okay,
done.
now
Add the flour.
Now you're gonna add your flour.
Now flour is
Salt.
not salt.
Snuff. And 1 teaspoon of and baking powder. That's enough. Kelly, do you want to make a spoon?
Oh yeah.
Okay, but remember, gentle. Fold it. That's not how. How to do this is do like this. Come on, Kelly. This is how you do it. So you do it like this. Yeah, good job.
With the mat.
Let's mix it with hand until all combine. The cookie dough is ready. Roll the cookies dough into a small bowl. Just like that. And roll into a half bowl. So after you roll it, press the cookies dough with a fork. Then put the chocolate chips on top of the cookies. I want to make a spider on top of the cookies. Okay, let's put in the oven for 80 minutes. So, Mom, can you make it in the oven, please? Oh. We need melted chocolate, Skittles, and pretzels. So let's put it in the microwave. Mix the melted chocolate. Alright, let's decorate our spider. We need more chocolate. More. Oh, I love how this tastes. It smells. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Spread the chocolate on top of the cookies. Dip the pretzel into the melted chocolate to make the spider fit. using Skittles or M&M. It's delicious.
Is it yummy, Katie?
Yeah.
I'm trying my peanut cookies.
Rest like that.
It's delicious and more than this.
Thank you for watching.
Ladies and Chai recipes. If you like to watch more videos, make sure to subscribe so you can see more videos, okay?